Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video is another exciting video in my living room. Sun is kind of getting dimmer, so hopefully there's not too much brightness or darkness that comes through. But I have a special video today. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Leslie Nicole. I do weekly videos for you guys on beauty, vlogs. I want to start doing working out videos, so hopefully that will come soon. But yeah, so don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more. But anyways, as you can see from the title, this is the new box from Park & Buzz. If you don't know who Park & Buzz is, they're an amazing Canadian company here in Winnipeg. They do amazing jewelry, and they have these shirts that are the Kindness Club, Coffee Club, Bride Club, and there's a bunch of other clubs. And they're so soft and so comfortable. And this box is, I really wanted to unbox it for you guys because of the simple fact that this is the perfect gift to give that girl that really wants, that loves jewelry, loves household items, and just, I can't wait to share with you what's in this box. So I'll leave everything linked down below for you guys. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's get into this video. So to start off, this box is super cute. They're like, this was packaged really nicely. It actually comes in an actual bigger box, so don't think that it just comes like this. No, it doesn't. So that's amazing. So when we open it up, oh, it's so pretty. So I'm gonna have to leave this right here. Can you guys see that? Is that too crazy? I don't know. But anyways, so it comes with a bunch of info. So this is Park & Buzz. They have such pretty models all the time, and yeah. So we love your style, Park & Buzz. So enjoy a gift on us. So there's a $10 gift card to shop online. So that's amazing. And then they included what's in the box. So as you can see, there's a bunch of stuff. I can see something big. So it says Merry and Bright, Park & Buzz. So it actually gives me the breakdown on the whole box in general. So to start off, to open the box, it has a sticker that says, Best Day Ever, Park & Buzz proudly gives back to local and global charities with every purchase XO. And the owner is Amanda. Amanda, if you're watching this video, I love you. You are so sweet. I love watching your Instagram stories. So make sure you guys follow Park & Buzz on Instagram. Oh, it smells so pretty in here. Oh, I wonder why. So this is the box. It is so nice. So the first things first, I'm going to grab out. First things first, we are going to be pulling out this amazing knit headband. So this is super cute. This retails for $23 and it just says knit headband. I don't think it's from anywhere, or it is from somewhere, but I don't know, like, you know, if this is I'm pretty sure this is Park & Buzz. But yeah, how cute. I think that's really nice. Perfect for those, like, if you don't want to wear two, you just wear a headband. You know what I'm saying? So anyways, we have soap. So it's number 6. Stonebridge Soap Co. Premium Handmade Soap. This is $9. It smells so good. Stonebridge Soap Company. I've never heard of them, but they're from Manitoba, so that's amazing. And it looks really cute. So yeah, this is $9. Oh my god, there's this What the Fluffmallow Co. This, like, look at this. This is, okay, this is number 5. This is $2. Custom Marshmallow. I guess it was just made for this box. I don't even know how I would use this. Does this go in the tub? Or do you eat this? Anyway, so that's there. Also, when you're seeing this video, there is a blog post on it as well as my full review. So just FYI, this is just an unboxing video. So make sure you guys head over to the blog and subscribe. There too. We also got some lashes. So number 8. So this is Lash Binder, Lash Tool, Glue, and Lashes. Okay, so this is like a combination. Okay, so this is like a combination. So there's lashes, as you can see here. This is the Lash Binder, the lash tool you'll ever need. So this says Stay Beautiful. So it's a lash, yeah. So it comes with lash glue. So it's like a little glue here. Little glue. So it comes with lashes. They're really natural, and they're natural, 100% natural hair. So they're really perfect for just adding a little extra oomph to your lashes. And so this is the Lash Binder. I hope I'm saying this right. It's not a bender, or is it a binder? Oh, really cool. So this, like, can Can you guys see that? So it's like, yeah. So I guess this bends your lashes, and apparently you need this in your life. I had no idea about this. Super cool. So a little lash bender on Instagram and lashbender.com. That retails for $60. So that's one of the bigger items in here. And then the next thing is, oh my God, is gold foil jewelry tray. So it comes in this box, obviously, to protect it. So this is so cute. It says darling, and it's like a pink marble. So this retails for $12, and it's so cute. Like, I can't wait to use this for my jewelry, like my little dainty necklaces and earrings. So that's really cute. And then we got something in a little baggie. We got, oh my God. Okay. Oh my God, look at this. Like, I am dying with this. I love hoops. You know me. If you're watching my videos, I love hoops. And look at these studs. How gorgeous. They're like snowflakes. Oh my God. And they're both number 7. So Park and Buzz hoop earrings are $48. And then the little stud Park and Buzz snowflake studs are $48 as well. So that is amazing. Hold, please.
You make me feel like I'm made of colors. Just you and me, ignore the others.
All right, now we're back. So this necklace is actually from Park and Buzz, but not included in the box. But look at these earrings. I'm in love. You have no idea. So yeah, snowflakes. So that comes in that little bag, which is super nice. It's leather and it says Park and Buzz. I'm keeping this bag forever. So there's that. That's amazing, you guys. And oh my God, the array of hair clips. Okay, so all 4 barrettes in total totals up to $70. So there is a bunch of barrettes. They're all different. Oh, I think 2 are the same. Oh no, they're different. Okay, so all different. So you have one that is like this, and then the other barrette, which is not angled, it's like square. And then you have the pearl. You guys, these are so pretty. I love hairpins. Like, hairpins are my life. So as you can see, you get a big one, and then a small one. I can't wait to wear these, you guys. I will be inserting pictures. I know I'm showing you here, but this is what it is. Like I said, that totals up to $70. And the next thing is these lips. She actually showed these off in her Instagram stories, which was so funny because I thought they were so cute. They were trying them out, and I honestly can't wait to try these. I was taking pictures with them, and my daughter really wanted them, but I'm like, no, I have to film a video first. So those lips, where are these? These lips are talking. So Collagen Lip Mask is $6. It's a collagen lip mask, which I'm really excited about. So there's that. And then last but not least, there is this scarf. It is leopard print, which is my favorite, and it's a nice leopard print. You know, like, this is such a good print. Like, I really like the spot colors. It's brown. And that comes to $30. So this scarf is $30. So yeah, that's it. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Make sure you guys follow Amanda from Park and Buzz on Instagram, and make sure you guys thumbs up this video, and make sure you guys subscribe for more. I like to do weekly videos for you guys, so if you guys let me know what you guys want to see, I love it. If you guys want to see more vlogs, I'm down for that. Or if you want to see more unboxing hauls, PR reviews, I would love to hear that too. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.